Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the snag and preparing tools. First, examine the fabric grain and thread path so you understand tension points. This explains why the thread caught. Once you have scissors, tweezers, and a seam ripper ready, turn off the machine and lift the presser foot, safety first. With the needle at its highest point, gently tension the fabric to reveal the snag location. Make sure to note whether the snag is surface only or has passed through multiple layers before you proceed to cut it. Now you free the lodged thread without making the hole worse. Begin by loosening the machine tension one full turn so the thread relaxes. This helps release hidden loops. Then, using fine tweezers, coax visible loops back through the fabric toward the opening. Always pull in the direction of the snag to avoid lengthening the tier. If the thread is under the throat plate, remove the feed plate screws and clear lint or caught fibers with a small brush. This prevents repeat catches once you reseat everything. Finish by securing the repair so it doesn't reopen. Trim stray fibers flush, and if the weave is weakened, apply a tiny dot of clear fabric glue to bond the area. Press gently and let dry. Once cured, rethread the machine correctly, reset tension to previous settings, and stitch a short reinforcement patch or a few back and forth stitches to stabilize the fabric. If you still get snags afterward, check the bobbin case and feed dogs for burrs or misalignment. That's the troubleshooting tip to prevent repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.